Hello everyone, welcome to this brand new course on that programming language. My name is Eddie Dev, and in this series we are going to learn that step by step, starting as a beginner and going all the way to an expert level. Now you must be asking, why should I learn that? Well, that is the language created and supported by Google, and it's the backbone of Flutter, one of the fastest growing frameworks from building beautiful mobile, web, and desktop apps, all for a single code base. Learning that opens the door for you to become a Flutter developer, which means you can build apps for Android, iOS, web, and desktop without needing to learn multiple programming language. Isn't that amazing, guys? Of course. If you already know a little programming, that will feel very familiar. And if you are completely new, don't worry. This course is designed to take you from zero to hero. By the end, you'll not only understand that programming deeply, but you'll also be ready to start building apps with Flutter. So if you've ever dreamed of creating your own mobile apps or becoming a professional Flutter developer, you are in the right place. Stick with me through this full playlist, and I promise you'll gain skills that are highly in demand in today's tech world. Let's begin our journey with that. Let me try to explain what I'm from just speaking right here, step by step. I need you to understand before we start our journey so we can be on the same feet. Okay, guys, as I said, let me now try to explain a little bit so that you can understand. First of all, what is that? You should really know that that is a programming language developed by Google. It's also designed for client-side development, mobile apps, web apps, desktop apps, and even backend. Gathered, obviously. Another question is why learn that? Okay, we learn that first of all because we want to use Flutter. It's used in Flutter, and as I said, Flutter is one of the most popular frameworks for building cross platforms: Android, iOS, web, desktop. Secondly, it's easy to learn. If you know Java, C Sharp, or JavaScript, that feels familiar. And also fast performance. Also strong community growing with great documentation and support. So the community is growing. Another question that is coming, where is that used? Okay. You should also ask that question. Why is that used? First of all, Flutter apps, mobile, web, desktop, we'll be using that every time when we jump into Flutter. Web development, that can compile to JavaScript, as I said. Backend development with framework like Shelf. Yeah, that's it. You should try to understand in that way. As time is kind of going and as we are learning, taking through our series, you'll understand more what I'm talking about. You'll be understanding everything. When it may sound like confusing, but trust me, it's not. Another question can be, who uses that? We should also ask ourselves that question. First of all, Google, like ads, Alibaba, both part of their apps in Flutter, and that of course, and also many startups and companies building cross-platforms apps. So that's what we need to know, please. What is that? I talked about why learn that, why is that used, and who uses that. Hope you understand what you're talking about. Guys, let us meet in the next video where we are going to start our first code in that. Please, we shall learn a lot. Thanks God for this time. Thanks for following this video. Please subscribe, please like, comment, share the video so that more people can gain from this, because we are going to take time to understand this. We are going to learn. We are going to master what we are doing. We shall do a lot of stuff, projects, and more and more stuff together. Me and you guys, we shall master until you can land your first job in mobile app development. Thank you guys. Hit that subscribe button and can also like the video. And if there's any problem, any challenge, be free to tap on me on the comment section and I'll provide an answer. Thanks God. And thanks you guys for this opportunity. Let's move for the next.